Okay, I'd like to give you some tips on the organization of what we'll do in week 3. You're going to see that there's 4 activities that are going to be done on each of your drawings or almost all of your drawings. And it's up to you. You can do activity 1 on all of your drawings, and then activity 2 on all of your drawings, and so on and so forth. Or you can take one drawing and do activity 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then take another drawing and do activity 1, 2, 3, and 4. People like doing it different ways, and I don't really care which way you do it, so long as you get the majority of these done. You're going to do 1.1 through 1.6 and 2.1 through 2.6, and this will be a revision. You're going to take your existing drawing and revise it by doing more stuff to it. So let me also just tell you, if you do not have all of these done, I'm going to strongly suggest that you work with the ones that you do have done first. And then if you've got time left, go back and do your original drawing. Maybe you didn't get 1.6 done, and maybe you're missing 2.5 and 2.6. So do all 1.1 through 1.5 and 2.1 through 2.4. Complete activity 1 through 4. Then do activity 5, the terminology, and then go back and draw 1.6, 2.5, 2.6. Submit those in the late file for those, and then do the revisions 1.6, 2.5, 2.6. Okay, so try to work on what is current first and then go back and catch up. Okay, so there you go. I hope that helps you figure out what's going on. The first thing to do is going to be create and set up something called a layout. Then we're going to do a little bit of work with line types and line weights. And then we're going to create and use layers. Then we'll add text and dimensions to the layouts. So those are each individual things that you would do as you're working through a drawing. And of course, there are easier, simpler, faster, more efficient ways, but then you won't learn the nuts and bolts of it. And we feel that it is important to get at least a little bit of the nuts and bolts. Don't worry. We're going to teach you the easier, faster stuff soon. If you discover it on your own, I guess that's okay. But if you can get some of these done in the step-by-step fashion, appreciate it. Okay, there you go. That's a little bit about the resources and what to do for your assignment guide for week 3 and design 301.